No way. What the Murder!
Our bird didn't understand the assignment. I guess she didn't want a birdhouse, she wanted a bird loft.
Be right there to catch them.
We have been watching these birds attempt to build a nest for 2 days now, and it has not been going well for them.
Hello? I literally don't know what to do.
Can someone please tell us what this is, because I said that is one big nest and he thinks it's part of the tree, but the trees don't grow like that.
Look at this. Oh, perfect. Oh my